The Toddler Routines Mini Kit is a set of fun tools that help your child build independence by visually following all the steps of their daily routines. The follow-along routine board will help you and your child with routines like bedtime, getting ready, and leaving the house. For a younger child, you can start with just 2 steps, first and then. This is a great tool for something your child needs a little more motivation to do, like first we put your shoes on, then we play outside. As your child gets familiar with this tool, they can remove the first and then cards and use the magnets to build their own routines with more steps. It includes 18 cards and 3 blank cards to make your own. As we all know, transitions are especially hard for young children. The countdown color timer can take some of the frustration away by giving your child a visual cue that time is passing. In the Out the Door board book, you'll see how Mira uses her timer to get ready for school. On the first day, she gets distracted and doesn't follow her routine and is late. That night, Mira and her mom make a plan, and the next day, they get out the door on time. This and the Emotions Mini Kit help you and your child find more ease and enjoyment in your time together.